What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we're going to cover this exciting day that we had today after the CPI drop, and we're going to go right into Thursday's expectations. Let's go ahead and see if we got anything that'll move the markets tomorrow. As you see, Thursday, we got a few different things on here. U.S. retail sales, the initial jobless claims, 10 o'clock business inventories. Again, same thing as today. We sit back, we let the market make a decision, and then we get in. No FOMOing, play will show itself, and when it does, that's when we're going to execute our plays. With that being said, hey guys, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. That way you can stay on top of what's going on in plays real time. All right, guys, first ticker, we're going to go ahead and tap into Palantir. As you see, Palantir started off, boom, right out of the gate. Started at 29.85. They popped that thing to almost 31 even. Went up a little bit more, 31.15. Then they came down, and then they just slowly, gradually ran up. They got up to 31.35 again and came right back down. Guys, if you are a bull, you want to see 31.20 get knocked out. If bulls can take over 31.20, next level is sitting up here at 31.35. Expect for it to be heavy. Expect for the bears to try to smack that thing back down and get back into the game. So it'll be a lot of resistance in that point right there. They can take it out. They got more room to run to the upside. If you are a bear, you want to see this level at 30.85 get taken out. They can take out 30.85. You got 30.70. And then they're going to start pushing this thing back down to 30.42. Want to see 30.10 get taken out. They can take that out. They coming back down. And I got another area of interest sitting at 29.60. Next ticker. These are for the newbies, beginners, the ones that don't want to spend all that much money. You can make money in these plays, low cap tickers. You got to be swift with it. Once you get that move, don't be married to the position. Go ahead and sell out. Get your money. Get paid. And if you want another entry, sit back, wait for it, and then get in. These plays give you a play or two, and then they chop for the rest of the day. That's why you got to be precise with it. Get in and get out. Next ticker, we're going to look at, let's say, INTC. INTC, you see they gave us a roller coaster. They started out at 1948. Boom, ran it up to 2015, came down a little bit, but you see my 9 EMA, they respected that the whole way up. They just slowly, gradually ran it up, 2140, smacked right back down. I got rejected at VWAP, ran it right back up, made a high at 2050, and then, man, they just got smacked right there. Boom, came all the way back down to 1980. And then just pretty much chop the rest of the day out. They closed at 1990. If you are a bull, you want to see 2010 get taken out. They can take out 2010. They're going to run it up to 2020. And then you got this level up here at 2050. They can break through 2050. They can start their trip back up. If you are a bear, you want to see 1980 get taken out. They can take out 1980. They're going to start swinging this thing back. And as you expect, 1980 is going to be a heavy level. They got rejected here. They bounced off of it. They bounced off of it here. Got another area over here that they bounced off of it. If they can get through there, to be precise, we're looking at, let's say, 1970. They can take out 1970. You're going to see them fall right back down to 1950. And this is the level right here you want to see the bears get to. If they can break 1920, they coming back down. They're going to come under 19. All right, let's keep it moving. Guys, I gave you guys a bonus play in yesterday's video. I told you we was going to cover Nike. I put it in the announcements today as a bonus play. Shout out to whoever jumped in those calls. I was in puts. Remember, I said I was buying puts. I swung puts for today. We took Nike all the way down. I ran Nike all the way down. I got out of Nike right around here, 77.60. They came all the way down to 77.40. I sold right at my lower band on my VWAP drop. I got out there. Shout out to whoever was able to catch that low and say, all right, I remember Fresh said that he was throwing a bonus play out there for Nike. Get Nike. Nike had higher futures down the road and got in right there. I didn't get in. I sold out of that play and started playing with futures and started charting other levels for other people. And I just kind of got lost. But man, look what this thing did. It hit that bottom and boom. If you follow the 3 candle breakout, you got the break. If we just looking for the VWAP break, you get the break of VWAP, you get the hold, boom, you enter in, boom, come down a little bit, didn't smack VWAP, you still staying in this play, boom, come down again. What happens? We still stay above VWAP, boom, boom. Ran that thing all the way up to, I think we got up to 79.10, and I told you guys that 79.05 is what we were looking for. 79.05 hold, they was going to try to run this thing up. And as you see, bears came in and they fooled a lot of people. They even had some people send me messages. Hey, Fresh, should I get out of this play? I said, hey, if you got long dates, stay in the play. If you got short dates, I'd reposition. And you see what they did. They tricked us. They made that run back to VWAP, and we know if we was playing the VWAP jump, we was getting out because of the VWAP test. And man, what happened? They ran that thing up. They closed at 78.48 to scare everybody. We're sitting at 82.35. Guys, shout out to whoever caught that play. We're sitting down here at 82.35 aftermarket. Nike pop. Your contracts are going to be looking real good. That was a good lottery play. And again, congrats to whoever jumped into that play and got it. Whoever didn't was waiting like me for us to get another pullback. Hey, it is what it is. You can't catch them all. All right, guys, the next ticker we're going to jump into is Tesla and see what Tesla did for us. And as you see, Tesla ran down to start the day. We ran all the way down to 199.95. If you check my announcements, I gave a play for that right there. If you caught those puts, you made money. That's a huge drop. And then they popped back up a little bit, but you see that 200, they could never reclaim that 200. Boom. Anytime you can't reclaim that 200, you stand down. And that's exactly what they did. They finished at 201.44. That's kind of where we sitting. Now, if you are a bull, you want to see them break out at 201.65. If they can break out there, you got another level sitting up here at 203.35, and they'll keep running up from there. If you are a bear, you want to see this shelf level at 199.75 get taken out. They can take out that. You got 198.75. They can start breaking through those levels right there. You got one more before they get smacked. All right, I got one other level. Once they get down to 196.90, bears break that right there, they're going to come back down even lower. I got another level at 194.75. We'll handle in real time when that gets to that point. We're going to go ahead and hit SPY. They ran it up, came down a little bit, but they respected the 9 EMA and they just kind of trend with that all day. They came down under VWAP, but they got it back. Boom. 544.93 was the top there. They got rejected there and just kind of held on to that 9 for the rest of the day. If you are a bull, you want to see levels at 545 get taken out for starters. They can take that out. We'll start going to higher numbers. We'll handle in real time. But if you are a bear, what you want to see is shelf level at 543.75 get taken out. They take that out. We got another shelf level at 542.75. Then you got this level at 541.85, and this is the ultimate one you want to see them take out, 540.15. They can take that out. We coming back under to 539 and some change, 539.44, and the lower stuff. Let's go ahead and hit Nvidia. Nvidia is sitting at 117.96. I had this play out for you guys too. Could have made money either way, riding the calls, riding the puts. We were eating. You see, they just boomed this thing up. Boom, 118.34. They came down. You see VWAP. They tested VWAP. Boom, went right back up, and then they chopped for the rest of the day. I wouldn't have took this VWAP play because it didn't match up with any of my standards. That's the test. That's the hold. Boom. That's invalid. It's a red candle. I wouldn't have took that play right there. If I was scalping, maybe I'd have dived in because I see the 50 EMA. That's my purple line. And I see VWAP. Normally when those hanging out together and we in a downward press, once one of those get rejected, it comes to that point right there. It normally going to bounce it back up. It may overshoot it a bit, and then it's going to ride back up. They chopped right after that, and then here at Power Hour, they had a little run up. If you are a bull, you want to see levels at 118.50 get taken out. They can take out 118.50. They're going to run this thing up to 119, 120 levels. If you are a bear, you want to see 117.40 get taken out. They can take that out. You got 116.80. After that, you got 116.23, and then they drop from there. You got another level sitting down here at 114.74. Be cautious in Nvidia. They can pop real high and they can drop real low. So just be cautious in your plays. No FOMOing. If you miss a play, you miss a play. All right, we'll do one more. We'll do XOM. They kind of had the same moves. They popped, boom, came back down. They popped it again, boom. We're sitting at 119.33. They kept running. They brought that thing all the way up to 120, and then they fell back down. You see where we hanging at? My blue line. We're at VWAP. So cautious in that play right there, because that's saying that they don't know which way they want to go right now. They stopped at VWAP. If you are a bull, you want to see them recapture 119.20. They can recapture 119.20. They're going to try to run this thing back to 119.50, and then they're going to try to take this top out at 120. They can break 120. Hold on to your seats, because you got 122 coming, 124. If they can get to 127, we ready to see the likes of 130 again. We know Nvidia got the power to do it. If you are a bear, you want to see this level down here, 118.60 get taken out. They can take out 118.60. You got this shelf level at 118.10, down here at 17.80. This is the one that you want to see them really break. You want to see 117.55 get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to start falling back to the numbers, some of these lower numbers again. That's Exxon Mobil. All right, guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. If you like sniper type, level-to-level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, AMD, HUT, Palantir, go ahead and tap into our Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.